Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off comments or more specifically replies on your Instagram story. So let's dive right in. First, open up the Instagram app on your phone. And once you're here, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, tap on the three lines at the top right corner to open the settings menu. Once you are in the settings menu, you have to simply scroll down until you find the comment option. Once you find it, tap on it. And now tap on stories. To disable comments or replies on your stories, simply select off. This will prevent anyone from replying to your story. And that's it. Now, no one can reply to your Instagram stories. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.